Getting owned by the bots in CS2? No worries, in this quick video, I'll walk you through cranking down their difficulty level. So let's dive in, no time to waste. First, you have to enable the developer mode console. To do that, fire up CS2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the top left corner to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the game tab. Now, at the top you will find the option to enable developer console. To turn it on, just click the box next to it and select yes. And console will be enabled for you. Now press the backtick key or the one below escape to bring it up. Next, just type bot_difficulty followed by a space, then type in a number from 0 to 3. Now, 0 will get you the easiest bots and 3 will get you the really intelligent bots. And that's it! That's how you change the bots difficulty in Counter-Strike 2. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.